We had just had a baby, so we just didn't have time to clean our home. But I didn't really trust the people that we had coming into our house. They would just not show up on time, they weren't reliable, I wasn't even sure if they were background checked, and the cleaning was not good at all. And they told me, well, if you want 100% out of us, you have to pay more money. Why would you not give 100% to begin with? I went ahead and decided I'm going to go ahead and start my own company because I know there's other families out there like me that are looking for trust and integrity with their service.
I had a cleaner in the past. When they came over and the last time, and it was the last time, they broke some things in the house. But then when I brought it to their attention, they said to me, it was broke before. I'm like, this is not a company that I want to work with where they're not going to be accountable. I know working with Company Clean, I can call Ronnie and it will be taken care of immediately.
I've used probably all the major brands or companies before. What I like about Company Clean is that they do their job, they're great, they're wonderful, they're respectful of my property and my time. They're not there all day.
Whenever you're hiring an HVAC technician or an electrician, they say they're going to be there between like 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. No one wants that. You don't want to have to sit there and stay home for whenever they might show up. At Company Clean, if we say that we're going to be there at 9 a.m., it's not going to be 8:30, it's not going to be 9:30, it will be 9 a.m.
I always get a reminder text every 48 hours before our clean. And then after every clean, I get a call saying, how was it today, or a text even.
Part of that transparency for our reliability is the text messages and emails that you get. And we follow up with you on every single cleaning afterwards to make sure that you're 100% satisfied.
They show up on time, and whoever has come over, I trust them that I can leave the house.
Here at Company Clean, trust and safety are very important to us. It's absolutely paramount. So all of our teams are insured, bonded, and thoroughly background checked, drug tested to make sure that whenever we're in your home, you feel safe with us.
And I just really feel respected as a client. It's just like, oh wow, they really do care about what they're doing in my home because it's my home, it's my personal place.
One of the things that I noticed whenever I was having those other cleaners in my home is they were using the same rag on my bathroom that they were using in my kitchen. And that's just cross-contamination that's going to get people sick. Yeah, we have multiple mop heads that we bring on site for every cleaning because we're not going to use the same mop at your home that we do at the next customer's home. We only use vacuum cleaners that have HEPA filters because we want to make sure that your carpets and your surfaces are getting all of those allergens out. That way, if your kids have eczema or asthma or anything like that, we want to ensure that you're in a safe, healthy, happy home.
I trust what they do. They do an amazing job.
They are respectful of my property. They communicate, they're reliable. I would definitely recommend Company Clean to all of my friends.
We strive only for 5-star service at Company Clean, so if you're not 100% satisfied, we'll come back out and re-clean at no cost to you, and if you're still not happy, we'll give you that cleaning for free. At Company Clean, we're not the cheapest, but you won't find anyone that brings the value that we do.